But Real Madrid have suffered a blow, and so too has Gareth Bale, the Welshman who delivered Carlo Ancelotti's first trophy as Real Madrid boss last week, unable to take his place tonight in this star-studded Madrid lineup. But there is a British presence on the field in the form of referee Howard Webb. Bale absent tonight because he's had flu since delivering the Copa del Rey, so he isn't risked from the start. But Cristiano Ronaldo is back from his hamstring injury, less so. And Dortmund's close-run fight back in the second leg will give Bayern a coach. Only lost a couple. Away by Dante. Modric conceding the free kick on Toni Kroos. Ribery. Robben gets his shot away. Deflected behind.
He's got the block in.
Kroos with a corner. Header from Bastian Schweinsteiger. And Benzema up ahead. Offside. Here's Ronaldo. And now Contra has managed to get in behind Boateng. Here's a chance. Here's a goal. Karim Benzema. How about that? They may have been under the greater pressure in the opening quarter of an hour, but one break is all it took for Carlo Ancelotti's side, and Real Madrid steal a march on their rivals.
Well, that has to be the game plan for Real Madrid. Incisive. You can't believe it, Bayern Munich. They started this game so well in terms of the football. But I have to say, there's a bit of brilliance over that far side.
Here's Di Maria in towards Ronaldo, and the header is straight at Neuer.
Oh, he got too much on it, Ronaldo. He would have wanted to try and glance it, use the pace. Modric.
An early ball in, Ronaldo! Well, that just shows he is human. Ronaldo climbs all the way across to Angel Di Maria!
Oh, just how they're wilting at one end, but Di Maria.
All over the top from Isco, and not really cut out by Alaba, and Ronaldo testing Manuel Neuer, who had to get down quickly to deal with. Here's Rafinha, got a deflection off Ronaldo.
Nearly wrong for
Robben freeing Ribery this time. Headed back by Rafinha out to his right, but he looks as though he wants to go all the way here.
I think he did well.
Taken by Fabio Quattro, Ronaldo looking to get away from Boateng and does. Shoveled round by Neuer.
Oh, he's really testing Neuer at that near ball.
Casillas has to make the punch out to the return after illness of Gareth Bale. Goetze and Muller! Feet leave the ground and went back by Muller. Goetze! Terrific save from Casillas, who hasn't had a great deal to do all night. Zukic, Muller!
Asking for a penalty. Muller wants a penalty, he's going mad.
Alaba with the ball in. Robben looks to get there. Modric is there once more. Long tries to follow it in.
That's brilliant.
Welcome back. Real Madrid haven't been in a Champions League final for 12 years. Bayern Munich are the holders and would just hate to effectively give that trophy up in front of their own fans. Your commentators for this semi-final second leg here at the Allianz Arena are Andy Townsend and Clive Tilsley.
United, before the temperature is raised here, the volume will be lowered in honour of two special football men. The last 4 days have seen the passing of the former Real Madrid coach Vini Boskov, and at the age of just 45, Pep Guardiola's former assistant and successor at Barcelona, Tito Villanova.
In any of their last 8 home games, Di Maria in towards Benzema.
And Zukic. Smuggled away by Xabi Alonso. Ronaldo felt he was fouled. Trump. Foul given. Real Madrid's favour. There was a little nudge there by Ronaldo. Which is Schweinsteiger, well read by Sergio Ramos, leading a breakout with
to Contra
Charles forward ball, dealt with by Neuer after a fashion. Now Gareth Bale's got an opportunity here and can't hit the target. Well, he had time to think about it and said... Title winner in his first season, but forced out when this man, Cristiano Ronaldo, was signed in 2009. Di Maria. Xabi Alonso away as far as Cristiano Ronaldo. That's clever for Di Maria. Quickly four in the counter-attack. One of them Benzema with Cristiano. Modric with the corner. It's a great header from Sergio Ramos. And Real Madrid take the lead in Munich. And Bayern need 3 goals to keep their hands on the trophy. Invaluable away goal. Scored by Sergio Ramos.
Great header. You know, when I said before the game about the fact that I felt there was a goal in Madrid here this evening, I didn't think it would come like that. Not from a set play, not from a corner. And with all fairness to Sergio Ramos, not from him.
Towards Lisbon, here's Benzema toward Ronaldo, and that's late from Dante and Wild. And that'll be a yellow card. Bale. He's got a free kick. Di Maria. Pepe got a flick and it's in! It's Sergio Ramos again! He scored twice in 4 minutes! And probably taken Real Madrid to their first Champions League final for 12 years. Pepe got a little flick on and his centre-back partner Sergio Ramos buried it. You're 2 up, Carlo. Ribery trying to turn. Oh, it's an effort on goal. Something. Ronaldo in towards Benzema. Neuer claims it after a fact. Here's Philipp Lahm towards Mandzukic. Alaba challenging for that. As Benzema, if he needs him, he may go it alone. Ronaldo! Is it far away? He's just going to love this now.
Yeah.
Robin. Shot was deflected on the way.
Someone like him before the game, you know, I know that he's been a bit in and out, hasn't he?
Di Maria. Towards Ronaldo this time, and every counter-attack spells trouble here for Bayern Munich. Benzema finding Bale, Gareth Bale, Cristiano Ronaldo. 3-0 Real Madrid.
Wow.
Unstoppable. Another record falls to Cristiano Ronaldo. 15 goals in a Champions League season, and not even Lionel Messi has managed that.
Incredible stuff. Brilliant, brilliant football, that is.
That was a big, big gulp of water that Pep Guardiola just took.
The initial ball from Di Maria is perfect. The support play from...
It might still fall for Ronaldo, who's gone for goal!
Oh, have a look.
Oh, it's just bounced wide! Coentrao away as far as Schweinsteiger. Sliding challenge from Xabi Alonso. Arjen Robben with the free kick. Alaba. Headed behind. Carvajal still going. Robben once more. Another corner. They're coming handball. Into Robben. He's onside here. And it's headed away down. Play going on. Ronaldo brought down by Lahm. And there's Ronaldo with the free kick. Setting the sprint relay team going again, and it's Neuer who comes out of his penalty area to meet Cristiano Ronaldo. This might run for Muller. Across comes Sergio Ramos. Ramos the foul. And Mandzukic with Robert Lewandowski. It's come to Alaba.
Just deceive their opponent, go past them, and then make something happen for a
Di Maria. Ronaldo is the target, headed. Here's Robin. It's a curling shot, which isn't very far away. We've seen him score from that kind of position, that kind of range many times before.
Good effort from Arjen Robben. And he picks
himself a little bit of space here from Ribery. His low drive, well handled by Iker Casillas.
with that, what he does.
Kroos striking from range. It's fairly comfortable for the last time they won it, Casillas. This will come for Fabio Quentrao. Ronaldo is there. This is Benzema. Support two from Bale. Ronaldo had run from. Cross towards Ronaldo. Alaba suspended. Goetze. That's great skill. And very nearly a great goal.
Very good.
Robin. Old striker who's out of contract at the end of the season. Alaba to Kroos. That's well hit. Wasn't too far away.
Lucky. Was a good hit. Shade with his right foot, Toni Kroos.
Di Maria in towards Bale. Almost came for Varane in the year 2000. Oh, by Kroos. And Cristiano Ronaldo. Red wall in the way. He's trying to step into a shooting position. He's got one via a free kick conceded by Toni Kroos.
He could have, couldn't he?
It's Ronaldo in.
Under it.
It is the perfect ending to the perfect night. 2 for Ronaldo, 4 for Real Madrid. Bayern Munich blown away, and Real Madrid are Champions League finalists again at last.
Wow. It's just been such a special night for Real Madrid, it really has. Because he was
to the European title ends here. Pep Guardiola. David Alaba with the free kick. And it's not a Iker Casillas. The European Cup moves back within the reach of Real Madrid. Champions League finalists again after 12 long years. The giant trophy that put them on the map.